Hi buddies, welcome back. Today I want to show you how you can insert an SD card to your Samsung Galaxy A05s to extend your phone's storage. For that we need our SIM card ejector or a simple paper clip, and then open up the SIM card slot here on the side, and now we can take that out. We have our SIM card here, and now we can put in our SD card. And now we can put the whole thing back in the phone. The first thing we need to do is to unlock our SIM card again. And now when we go to our settings and then scroll down to battery and device care, we have the storage here, and we have our internal storage, and then we also have our SD card. So we can now go ahead and save photos, music, whatever else on this SD card to save some internal storage. So that's how you can insert an SD card to your Samsung Galaxy A05s. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.